it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Blah, blah, blah. Today we got one that was sent in by His Grace, the Right Honorable Reverend Dick Gazinia from Devon, England. This is Yumsu with their chili fire instant noodles, and we're going to give this a try. You steep them for 3 minutes in 350 milliliters of water. Noodle block, boiling water, seasoning, and then at the end you put in this other sachet. So that's what we're doing today on the big show. So probably would help if I set my timer correctly. There we go. And this, even though it's perforated, it doesn't want to give it up, so we're going to give it a little bit of help. There we go. It's kind of got a little dark look to it. I don't know how much fire we're going to get into this chili fire stuff. But we'll find out. So how is everyone doing? I hope you're all having a wonderful day, whenever that day may occur. There are animals everywhere, just so you know. This one, they want you to put this in at the end, and I don't know why, because it seems like something that could use some hydration, but I'm just gonna do what they tell me, because that's the rules. The rules of being the Ramenerator are pretty simple. I just make it according to the package, and then I give it a taste, and then I doll it up. That's it. And everything is judged before I doll it up, of course, you know. You can pretty much put anything, I mean, you can get any instant noodle really tasting quite nice with the right garnish. I mean, I've had varieties that like taste like really bad. And then generally I will put garnish on them that really don't accentuate the flavor and make them look more appetizing, even though there's stuff on my bottom 10 list that look kind of good. Wow, that looks really good. Yeah, it got 0 stars. It tasted like eating out of somebody's ear. You know, it's rough. But this one is for the UK and Spain, and it's made in Bangladesh. Bangladesh. So yeah. Been having a lot of rain lately. Our seasons changed. Like, we have like seasonal whiplash almost. It's really quite a thing. I want this thing to work right. How much time we got left on here? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Well, I think it's about done, but the reason I'm saying oh no is that my alarm clock thingy deal has run out of batteries. Luckily, it's USB-C chargeable, so I'll just have to plug it in. Hopefully yeah, I think those are charged. That's been at least 3 minutes now. Some things it'd be easier if they took batteries than charged, but then it's really not hard to plug things in. I don't know. Okay. Well, let's put in this. Let's see if this sachet wants to open. Wow, it really doesn't. There we go. There's our garnish. We'll give it a stir. I think it's like TVP and maybe some chive. Okay, it says here, let's look at the packaging again. Chili Fire Extreme. That sounds like it's going to be violently spicy. Let's see what we get out of Chili Fire Extreme. I'm just going straight for the broth. All right. Yeah. It's got a bit of heat to it. Wow. Looking to see I don't know, those noodles don't seem extremely greatly hydrated. This one, Chili Fire or Yumsu, you should just tell people to boil this noodle, I swear. No. Because it is not ready. If that's the way you want it, that's fine, but my feeling on this is it didn't steep long enough. And I need to get a new stand thingy. See how it's all crooked, like to the side? It's because this thing is all jankety now. It's like I can tilt it to the... Yeah. Anyways. Whatever. Here. Yeah, is it violently spicy? No. Could it be spicier? Absolutely. Some of my magical boiled beef. Crushed red pepper. We'll do an egg. Since I don't have any soy sauce, we went to the store where they have the soy sauce. We're going to order it from somewhere else, but I used Maggi seasoning to marinate these eggs. What do you think of that? Do you even know what to think of that? I don't know. Maggi seasoning's pretty good. I will say that much. And a little bit of seeds. I'm going to add some mung bean sprouts, actually. Where'd that go? There it is. July, there you go.
professionalism at its best.
All right, thanks again to Reverend Dick Cazinio for sending that. This is Homsom. Found this at World Market. I've contacted this company a couple times and they just won't give me the time of day. So, yeah, it's looks highfalutin. So we will give that a try on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.